introduce Sophie, who has fought the most amazing campaign against all the odds, with no funding, with no real support, unfortunately, from our party, except a few solid comrades who believed in her. And once you've heard it from Sophie, you is all going to believe in her. She's the most amazing, strong woman, and I really, really hope, as Dan Yates does, that she will be our first trans Labour MP, Sophie Cook.
Thank you, everyone. 5 weeks ago, I was selected as a Labour candidate for East Worthing and Shoreham, a true blue constituency that has never been red. The Tory MP there, Tim Loughton, who a lot of you may know isn't the nicest human being going, had a 15,000 majority. We believed that we could change it. And on Thursday, the people of this country voted for change. They voted for a country that was more caring. They voted for a country that was more diverse. They voted for a country that believed in education and healthcare and an ethical foreign policy. And in East Worthing and Shoreham, 20,866 people voted for a trans woman. We increased the Labour vote by 114%. We had a 19.8% swing to Labour. Anywhere else in the country, we would have won. I haven't been to bed yet. I was out campaigning again today, because we are going to win the election in October. This coalition of cruelty with the DUP shows just how low the Tories will go to cling on to power. They will get into bed with anti-abortionists and creationists and anti-LGBT campaigners. And fox hunting supporters. In East Worthing and Shoreham, the Conservative MP said that he took the middle way on fox hunting. Not sure what that is. I think that's only half the fox being ripped to pieces. But this country has voted for change. You all voted for change. We can have that change. We need to stand up for this. We need to organise, we need to go out, we need to make our voices heard. So when you walk through the town, be loud, be proud, be Labour, be Green, be whatever you are, as long as you're progressive, as long as you're not jumping in a bed with terrorists. We love Jeremy Corbyn. 2 months ago they said he was unelectable. Do you think Jeremy's unelectable? No! We will stand up to bigotry. We will stand up to anti-sectarianism.
I hope you stand up to the
Well, we'll sit down for it. We will stand up for freedom and liberty, and we will never surrender. Go out, make your voices heard, and change this world. If you believe enough, and you make other people believe, you can change the world. Thank you.
Okay, so we're going to go off on our little march now, people. So we're going to have this great